Okay.
Hi! We'd like to show you our puppies. Let's see, I have to figure out who's who here. This is Daphne. She's one of two of the black and tan girls. And this looks like it's Velma. Can you hand me Velma? I lied, it's Freddie. This is Freddie. He's going to Maryland. And here she was in my lap the whole time. This is Velma. She's the smallest of the litter and Daphne is the biggest. They're both sold, but what we've got to show you, let's see, this is, the Scooby and Shaggy are almost identical. They're 4/10 of a pound different in size. And this is, if I look real hard, this is Scooby. This is Scooby. Scooby is a fun one. He likes to cuddle. Shaggy over here is more calm, and he's just the teensiest bit bigger. This is Jiffy. Jiffy's going to Brazil. He has a funny new name, and I can't remember what it is. And where is Doc? Come here.
Doc, 1, 2, 3. Doc, come to me.
Why don't you go get him?
Doc.
But it's finally spring. Well, I shouldn't say finally because spring is early here in Minnesota, but we're sure enjoying it. So we're outside playing in the grass. And here comes Victoria with Doc.
Oh, there's our cat.
Oh, yep. This is Fuzzy Wuzzy, the cat. We'll get Fuzzy Wuzzy out of the way. Fuzzy Wuzzy's your cat.
How old are the puppies, Deb?
They're 6.5 weeks old. They'll be ready to go to new homes April 1st. So if anybody, oh, and here's Doc. Yeah, Doc is ready for his home anytime. If you want a playful little puppy, this is the boy you want. He is so fun. He's more. He likes kisses and belly rubs, and he's just a goofball. As you can see.
And how old is Doc?
13 weeks. 13 and a half weeks. He'll be 14 weeks on Sunday, I believe. Tuesday. Yeah, so he's just a little over 13 weeks. And
1, 2, 3. Pass it him to me.
let's see. Who's Mr. Playful over here? I believe this is Shaggy. Shaggy was out playing. Did you catch Shaggy playing?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, bud. Now, Fuzzy Wuzzy, you're gonna have to.
Fuzzy.
Yeah. Oh yes, and you. Yep. This is. Oh darn. Shaggy. This is Shaggy.
Mommy.
And this is Scooby. Yeah. No. Well, if you have any questions, I'd love to talk to you about our puppies. You can call me or you can email me. We'd
Okay.
love to find some special homes for these guys.